I'm drawing up cubes and rectangles today so I can be cropping different things that I observe around the neighborhood surrounding that I see. So I'm going to put them down into the blocks today. First thing will be this fan on the wall. So I will draw out the rough outline of how it looks like. Then the second item, very simple, a rectangle small light on the beam. The third one will be this tree that is just outside where I'm sitting. And I like the tree trunk. I decide to combine a few rectangles and squares together so the whole tree can be included in. The main thing to draw for this will be the textures on the tree trunk. Next up will be the street lamp, the part where the L shape is. I like this part about combining the rectangles together and being able to crop off parts of those elements that I do not want to draw. So it is a compilation of important element parts in this drawing as a whole. Capturing the leaves, next one to go. The angular shapes of the wooden fence, which I find very interesting. And shadows on the pavements. I decided to fill up this bottom left corner box with some dried leaves that is on the grass and tried to mimic some of the shadows on the ground that is cast by the trees. These are simple shapes from the wooden fences. This is one of the ways I record the little things I observe around my neighborhood. There's always so much to draw. I just need to step outside, take a short walk, and gather inspiration. Later, I can combine these small observations into a complete composition using simple cropped images method. It's an easy and fun approach that also motivates me to go outdoors every day. I'm still using gouache as my base layer, which can also be treated like watercolor. It's a very flexible medium that helps to spread the background color quickly across the pages or the page. The final details, as usual, will be added with color pencils. In my upcoming videos, I plan to try a new format where I will share different sketches I create throughout the week in various places and using different materials and mediums. So there will be less narration like now, this kind, but more focus on showing you the key sketching processes. So this new workflow is my way of keeping content creation enjoyable for myself and sustainable. Some new format I will try. Okay, so because I want to keep my YouTube channel going, it has to be doable. All right. And it also gives me time to return to my miniature building projects, which I've put on pause for the past 2 months. The miniature itself, I'm thinking of also producing videos for it, like weekly, on a weekly basis. So there will be more content regularly for my channel. I have started this YouTube content creation for about 6 months already, taking an online course alongside to improve my channel. Some earlier contents have to be unlisted because it's not the same niche as what I'm doing now. So it has been quite a while, and format adjustments to keep this journey going, I think, is very essential. So I thank you very much if you have been following my content since 6 months ago. I believe you have seen my growing process, and I'm still moving on, easing myself into another phase which can keep my channel growing. But thanks so much to you. Thanks. I'm using a very short Caran d'Ache color pencil. This sepia one you can see from a set that I bought when I was still studying. Even though it's super tiny now, I just can't bring myself to throw it away. Maybe I'll use it, keep using it until it's like 2 or 3 centimeters short. Then I will throw it away or buy a replacement. So, do you do the same with your art supplies? If this is your first time here, thank you so much for watching all the way to this point. It is almost coming to the end of this video. If you enjoy gouache painting processes, sketching experiments, miniature buildings, I would love to have you subscribe and join me on this creative journey. And also thanks a lot for every one of you who is joining me today on this video from the beginning to the end until here. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you like this experiment that I'm doing today, and if it's applicable, do use it in your own sketchbook. Post it in the comment. Share with me what you have done with it. Okay, and I hope to see you in my next video in my new format, doing different kinds of sketches in different places. Something that gets me out, going out of the house, and being able to sustain this channel. All right. Thank you so much for your time for today. I'll see you again. Bye.